Chapter 9, Ancient India Test. First, type your last name and first name in the box here. Next, select your cycle number. Number 1. On which continent is India located? Asia, Africa, or South America? Number 2. A large landmass that is smaller than a continent. Monsoon, subcontinent, or Raja. Number 3. Seasonal wind, especially in the Indian Ocean and Southern Asia. Monsoon, subcontinent, or plateau. Number 4. A prince of India. Monsoon, subcontinent, or Raja. Number 5. Two great rivers of India. Thames River and Nile River. Indus River and Ganges River. Or Mississippi River and the Rio Grande. Number 6. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were two major early cities in the Indus River Valley, languages of India, or leaders of India. Number 7. Group of people who migrated to India bringing their beliefs and values. Egyptians, Romans, or Aryans. Number 8. The 4 social classes of India are called caste, Vedas, or Sanskrit. Number 9. One of the world's oldest religions, the third most widely practiced in the world today. Buddhism, Hinduism, or Christianity. Number 10. The religion founded by Siddhartha Gautama. Hinduism, Buddhism, or Judaism. Number 11. A state of perfect happiness and peace. Dharma, focus, or nirvana. Number 12. The key value of the religion Jainism, ahimsa. Ahimsa means practicing nonviolence towards all living things, extreme violence, or extreme poverty. Number 13. The Mauryan and Gupta were two great rivers in India, great empires of India, or religions. Number 14. Another word for teacher. Sanskrit, Vedas, or guru. Number 15. The Hindu belief in the rebirth of the soul. Nirvana, ahimsa, or reincarnation. Number 16. Buddhism is based on these two important teachings: the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, the caste system and nirvana, or material gain and riches. Number 17. A force that decides the form that people will be reborn into their next life. What goes around comes around. Dharma, meditate, or karma. Number 18. A Buddhist shrine shaped like a dome or burial mound. Stupa, church, or school. Number 19. Gandhi and Martin Luther King Jr. both practiced this: painting, opera, or ahimsa. And number 20. Ancient India produced a brilliant culture that included literature, art, architecture, math, science, medicine, or all of the above.